the Canva app. You can download it on your phone and you can use it there, but if you're designing for while you're on the PC, you can go www.canva.com and you'd land on this home page, and it has all sorts of templates that you can even think of. So if you scroll down, you can create your own design, whether it's for Facebook, whether you have a proposal, if you have a flyer, a poster. The one that I'm interested in today is the CV. So there's resume, those are CV, but I'm looking for an infographic CV. So you can go and look for infographic over there. You also have a video that you can create a design for. And so Canva is quite cool and it's free. There's other templates that you can't have access to if you haven't bought the plan that allows you to download those stuff that are being paid for. But most of the time you can do all that you need to do to use the app. So the one that I'm referring to is the Pro. So if you haven't gone Pro, you still can use the app for free. So this is a searchable area which shows a magnifying glass. We're looking for an infographic CV, and then you can search that way, or you can go through the templates. And there are the CVs that are available that you can use for templates. So you can create one. Let's say we like, I don't know, Jamie Curtis's one. And what I'm showing you now, you can also use when you're creating a flyer or a post that you want to use on Instagram or Facebook. So Canva is like really a good, easy tool that you can use to design. You don't need to be a fundi to be designing on Canva. They've made it very easy. So once you've opened it up, you can make it bigger if you want. So the whole point of using these templates is to RTFS, and by that I mean you read and you click and you play around and you change. So you see when I've moved my mouse, I can remove watermarks, but if I want to remove watermarks, they are asking me to upgrade and put in my own picture without the watermarks, but I need to pay for it. So if I don't want to pay for it, I can leave the watermarks on. I can delete the picture and add my own picture. So you can click on the field, double click and delete and put in your address. Let's say you live in Wattville. That's my hometown. You live in Wattville, you put in your experience, you put in your achievements, you put in your education. So basically this infographic CV, it's a summary of your CV that you used to use from Word. So the recruiters don't have a lot of time to go through a 5-page CV. If you're giving them just enough information for them to make a decision, you stand out. So you can change it, fix it, undo, change color. So click change font to whichever font you want, and then it changes. But some of the fonts are not available, are grayed out, because those are available to people that have gone pro on the app. Once you're done and you're ready to download the design that you've come up with and you've changed it, you've put in your website because you've created a website for free on Wix, you just go to download and you click download. And it asks you, do you want to download a PDF? It suggests a PDF for this kind of design, but you can also download a video. You can also download a JPEG, like a picture. And we're going to stay with PDF and we click on download. Then the app downloads it for you. It goes to the bottom of the page and it's available. There you go, your beautiful infographic CV. And you're definitely going to stand out this way instead of going old school and using the old way of trying to grab attention. Remember, you're trying to grab the recruiter's attention. So the more effort you put in on trying to grab their attention, the better chances of them picking your CV instead of the Word documents, thousands of Word documents that they need to browse through. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll see you next.